'Tis the season to be jolly. It's a time to gather for parties, visit with family, sing carols, and admire the holiday lights and decorations. It is a season for joy. Yet, as we have prepared for these Advent weeks, our conversation has repeatedly returned to the question, what exactly does joy look like? In response to this nagging thought, we will offer two perspectives on joy this week in First Word. One that is polished and planned, and the other a personal story from within our very own community. We invite you to come hear these descriptions of joy, for they embody the wonder, humility, and power of the Christmas story we so long to hear and experience. Join us at 9 a.m. in the gym. You'll be glad you did.